Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to another notification. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 12 biggest travel mistakes that tourists make. So, if you're planning your next adventure, stick around as we dive into the 12 biggest travel mistakes tourists make and how to avoid them. 1. Overpacking. A common travel blunder. Resist the urge to bring your entire closet. Instead, opt for essentials. Mix and match to save space, leaving room for memorable souvenirs. Travel light, and you'll thank yourself later for the hassle-free exploration. Pack wisely, stay practical, and make every item in your suitcase count for a stress-free and enjoyable journey. 2. Ignoring local customs. Is a travel pitfall. Research and embrace the traditions of your destination for a richer experience. Respect dress codes, greetings, and tipping norms. Immersing yourself in local customs not only fosters cultural appreciation, but also opens doors to meaningful connections with the community. Be a mindful traveler, and your journey becomes a respectful exchange of cultures. 3. Not having travel insurance. Skipping travel insurance is a risky oversight. Protect your adventures from unexpected setbacks by investing in coverage. From medical emergencies to lost belongings, insurance ensures a worry-free journey. Prioritize peace of mind and financial security. Don't let unforeseen circumstances derail your trip. Get insured, travel confidently, and focus on creating lasting memories without the fear of unexpected expenses. 4. Planning every minute. Avoid the trap of planning every minute on your travels. While an itinerary is helpful, leave room for spontaneity. Serendipitous discoveries and unexpected moments often define the most memorable experiences. Embrace flexibility, allowing for exploration beyond the scheduled agenda. Grant yourself the freedom to wander, uncover hidden gems, and savor the joy of discovering the unplanned highlights of your journey. 5. Disregarding safety precautions. Is a significant travel blunder. Prioritize your well-being by researching and following safety guidelines. Avoid risky areas, secure your belongings, and be aware of emergency procedures. Vigilance enhances your travel experience, ensuring a secure and enjoyable adventure. Don't compromise safety. Be proactive and take necessary precautions to safeguard yourself and fully relish your exploration. 6. Exchanging money at the airport. This is a costly mistake. High fees and unfavorable exchange rates can deplete your budget. Plan ahead and research local banks or ATMs for better rates. Maximize your travel funds by avoiding the convenience of airport currency exchange. Your wallet will thank you as you enjoy more purchasing power and financial flexibility at your destination. 7. Not learning basic phrases. Overlooking basic phrases in the local language is a missed opportunity. Learn simple greetings, thank you, and common expressions to connect with locals. Demonstrating effort in communication fosters cultural appreciation and enriches your travel experience. Even a small vocabulary bridge can lead to more meaningful interactions, creating a memorable and immersive journey. Embrace the language, break barriers, and make lasting connections on your travels. 8. Overlooking transportation options. Don't limit yourself to conventional transportation. Overlooking diverse options can hinder your travel experience. Research and embrace alternatives like public transit, bikes, or walking. Not only do these options save money, but they also offer unique perspectives of your destination. Break free from the usual and explore varied modes of transportation for a more enriching and authentic travel adventure. 9. Being glued to technology. It can diminishes the essence of travel. While smartphones are useful, constant screen time detracts from the experience. Lift your gaze, savor the surroundings, and engage in the moment without distractions. Put down the devices, immerse yourself in the culture, and create lasting memories. Unplug, be present, and rediscover the joy of authentic travel experiences. 10. Not trying local cuisine. This is a missed opportunity. Dive into the flavors of your destination. It's a cultural journey on your plate. Step outside your culinary comfort zone and savor the authenticity. Whether street food or traditional dishes, each bite tells a story. Embrace the local gastronomy, and you'll discover a world of culinary delights that enrich your travel experience like nothing else can. 11. Underestimating travel time. This is a critical error. Plan journeys meticulously to avoid rushing and missed opportunities. Factor in delays, explore realistic transit options, and allocate ample time for each activity. Prevent the stress of tight schedules by allowing room for spontaneity. Efficient time management ensures a seamless journey, enhancing your ability to fully savor every moment without the pressure of rushing. 12. Neglecting health precautions. This can jeopardize your travel experience. Prioritize well-being by staying hydrated, protecting against the sun, and being aware of local health risks. Carry necessary medications, adhere to safety guidelines, and maintain a healthy routine. A proactive approach ensures a sickness-free adventure, allowing you to fully enjoy the journey while safeguarding your physical well-being. Health-conscious travel leads to a more fulfilling and worry-free experience. And there you have it, folks, the 12 biggest travel mistakes and tips to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Here's to another year of exciting journeys. Until next time, happy travels!